Hi, good morning. Hari ni untuk sahur, I am making mushroom melt, which is basically mushroom and cheese sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich. And well, I dah tak ada roti. I only have hujung roti je. But I am going to show you guys how to use this hujung roti to make a really delicious sandwich, okay? And I am using 4 jenis cheese. So this is Parmesan, which I will put dekat luar. So it's going to give a beautiful crust to my mushroom melt sandwich. And then ada mozzarella, ada sharp cheddar, and my favorite Swiss cheese. So I am going to start by making the mushroom first. And kat sini ada butter, bawang putih yang telah dicincang, daun bawang, and mushroom. So really easy. Kita nak masak mushroom dulu. Just cairkan butter, and then after the butter dah cair, kita nak tumiskan the garlic and the daun bawang, and then masukkan mushroom. Okay, so my mentega dah cair. Now I am going to masukkan the bawang putih and the daun bawang. And just saute for like a couple of minutes. And then we're gonna add in the mushroom. Okay, so mushroom ni nampak macam banyak, but after we cook it, it's going to shrink. And it's not going to be that banyak lah. So bila kita masak mushroom like this, jangan masukkan air, or jangan even basuh your mushroom, because mushroom is like sponge, so it absorbs water. And bila masak dia, it will release water juga, it will release its own juices. So you don't want it to be basah, so jangan basuh dia. So if you nampak dia macam kotor ke apa, you just ambil like tisu dapur, just basahkan sikit tisu dapur tu and just lap the mushroom to remove the dirt. Even kalau dia dah jadi macam garing and you risau dia hanyut, you jangan masukkan air, because nanti dia jadi lembik. Like right now pun you can see that it is releasing its own juices, so dia dah jadi macam basah. So you just nak masak dia sampai dia kering, and letak sikit garam and lada. Kalau you suka pedas, you can even put like chili flakes. It's up to you. I don't know. So kita just nak masak ni sampai dia kering. Okay, so now mushroom I dah kering. Ini dah masak, you can see. Okay. It's kepirang-pirangan. And I'm gonna put it aside and make the sandwich. Okay, so I dah letakkan, dah sapukan mentega for my roti, and like I said just now, I guna belakang roti, hujung roti tu. And kita just nak toast dia on the pan, tapi yang bahagian dalam dulu kita buat, okay? Alamak, tak panas lagi pagi. Okay, so bila dia dah garing on bahagian dalam ni, so just balikkan dia and then perlahankan api. So when you're doing this, you have to be really quick. Kita nak letakkan cheese. So I'm using 3 types of cheese untuk bahagian dalam. It's mozzarella. So I'm just gonna put mozzarella here. And then we have Swiss cheese and cheddar. Just put a little bit of mozzarella. Okay, and then cheddar kita letak kat sini. Okay, and then Swiss, because it's nipis, we put it on the mozzarella. Alright, oh my god. Now kita nak tutup our kuali for about 1 minute, so that mana aku punya bentuk kuali ni? Okay, tutup kuali untuk 1 minit, so that the cheese akan melt. Okay. Oh, tapi kita naikkan sikit our heat, medium heat. Okay, so now you can see, oops, my cheese dah cair. Kelihatan so beautiful. And then kita nak put our mushroom. Okay, api perlahan. Okay, again you have to be really quick. And we're just gonna put our mushroom. Okay. Oh, betul cakap my sister, too much mushroom. Hold on. Oh, terjatuh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, the rest I makan. And then we're gonna cover it. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. This is not burn. It's just brown. We are going to put our parmesan yang shredded on top. Okay. And then kita nak terbalikkan dia. And then we are going to grill both sides. So our bread ada crust, ada parmesan crust. Okay, this is how you do it. You sengitkan your kuali, you sengitkan your sandwich, and then you macam tu. Okay. And you just press it. And then you do the same with this side. I love parmesan so much. Lemak ini pun lebih macam ni. Okay. So jangan flip dia lagi, because you nak dia garing. Okay. So kita sabar dulu. Okay, sikit. Okay, so I think it's ready. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, go. Oh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Parmesan crust. 4 types of cheeses. Now you're gonna press it down juga, supaya the parmesan akan cair. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so my sandwich is ready. Let's switch it off. My cheese yang dekat dalam ni pun dah macam terkeluar-keluar dah. Oh, look at that. Okay, we are going to cut it. Then we're going to do a close-up. I'm just going to wash it. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to cut it now. Oh, can you feel that? That's the Parmesan crust. Okay. Whew. Look at that. Ta-da.